Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name is Nick.
And my name is Chris.
And today we're going to talk about how to become a millionaire using a polymath. Chris, I'm really excited about this one. This is a project that we're both really positive about and really bullish on. So let's go ahead and kind of check out how to become a millionaire using a polymath. But before we do that, do go ahead and smash that like button if you're a polymath fan. If you've got a nice sized bag of polymath, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and by doing so you'll be kept up to date with all of the live streams and videos that we do here on the Cheeky Crypto channel. Chris, shall we go through it?
Yeah, I think just before we do though, Nick, it's up 45% this morning. Wow.
Yeah, it's a big one, I have to say. This is one of those projects that you're just gonna want to pay attention to. This is going to be massive for the future, and I think that's something that we both agree on.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, let's have a look at Polymath here in Live Coin Watch. So currently, this is 6.1 cents. Okay, it had an all-time high of $1.66 here. It has a current circulating supply of 721.9 million tokens, with a maximum supply of 1 billion tokens. Here's the all-time chart here, so you can see the high right at the beginning in 2018, and to where it has been trading recently. Pretty flat. Now, there isn't much else to really call out on this one, but the main thing I'm just going to point out here is that there's 1 billion in circulation. 1 billion as a maximum supply, and it is currently only 6.1 cents. Okay, now this project, so we've done quite a bit of extensive research into this, Chris, is definitely one that you're going to want to pay attention to. If you don't know what polymath is, go ahead and check it out. Go check out some of our, I guess it was our Sunday live stream, Chris, where we talk about projects that you guys have suggested. This is one that was suggested to us. We liked it so much that we actually invested in it. So well worth kind of doing your own research, digging into what polymath is trying to achieve here with all that tokenization and all that. It's going to be absolutely massive in the future. So right now we see this as a bit of an opportunity. You know, you always end up with this kind of like initial high and it comes down. So this is pretty common across all tokens because utilization and utility at this current moment in time do not make a difference to price. However, once utility makes the difference here, this token I think is just going to up, up, and up. So let's have a look and kind of get our heads around what potential uplift we could see here for Polymath and how many tokens it would take to become a millionaire on such an uptake, right? So I'm going to compare Polymath here now to Chainlink. So Chainlink, in a similar way to Polymath, has a total maximum supply of 1 billion tokens. Okay, so in a roundabout way, they're actually very similar. So Polymath 1 billion. Chainlink 1 billion. Utility aside, because utility currently isn't driving price, now we're going to just take a look at the Chainlink and compare these two projects together. So the all-time high for Chainlink was 1979. Okay, and in order for that to kind of happen, there has to be a certain amount of money flowing in, and the money that's gone into Chainlink so far, you could assume could actually kind of FOMO into something like Polymath as well, based around I don't know what you want to call it, Chris, but the kind of fact that it's just fear, etc., just kind of like pushing money in, and it's quite a small amount of money that's actually required to push that boundary up, right? We're only talking a few billion, and we are believers that the crypto space will be a few trillion in the years to come. It will be a multi-trillion dollar asset class altogether, won't it, Chris?
Yeah, completely. Where we're sort of landing when it comes to the crypto market.
Absolutely. So if we're going to take that 1979 as a base, let me dust off the old trusty calculator here. So if we want to get to $1 million, and we divide that by the 1979 we call it all-time high of Link, that if that money that went into Link actually went into Polymath, then we'd see we would need like 50,500 tokens to basically achieve that $1 million price. Now, if we then just multiplied this by the current price here of 0.062084, so this current price for Polymath, we need to invest roughly about $3,137, Chris. And we think that by somewhere in the range of like 2025, that could potentially actually be worth $1 million. But I think it'd go higher than 1979, to be honest. I'm not sure what your thoughts are on that, Chris.
Yeah, I do think that it will. Again, I think it's really early on this one, Nick. We're in super early.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we're really pro tokenization of the crypto space and real world assets, and Polymath are helping with a lot of that kind of stuff, and helping other I guess real world companies adopt blockchain technologies and just push it out there and make it more widespread adoption. So I think this is incredibly possible. I think we'll actually see Polymath higher than 1979. I think a $50 valuation for Polymath is actually something that it could actually happen pretty quickly, and is within reasonable grasp. Specifically when we're talking about multi-trillions flowing in, and Polymath being a key player in the future in our point of view. So, something to just watch out for. If you don't know anything about Polymath yet, or feel that you need to know a bit more, check out some of our live streams and other videos here on Cheeky Crypto. But also go and do your own research, dig into what Polymath are trying to do, because this project is one that could make you a millionaire, and relatively quickly too, on a very modest investment. Chris, is there anything you wanted to add to this before we kind of like go over some of the other stuff?
No, just really big on Polymath, and this is obviously just our opinion, not financial advice, but yeah, I can see this one doing very, very well.
Absolutely. So definitely one to watch out for, guys. Do go ahead and check out Polymath, see everything that they're doing, what they're trying to actually accomplish from the project point of view, and if you liked it as much as we do, then not financial advice, but it's something that you might want to consider. And as always, if you found this video useful, informative, etc., or you're really into Polymath, go ahead and smash that like button, as Chris says. Is that how you say it? Smash it?
That is how I say it. Smash that like button.
Smash that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the Cheeky Crypto channel here, where you'll stay up to date with all of the videos and live streams as we put them out. And if you hit the bell icon, you'll also get a 30-minute notification before we go live. And with that said, we hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll see you again in the next video/live stream.
Super, take care.